Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Math is where math become easy by Aisha Azhar. Today is our third lecture on Venn diagram, in which we will discuss the operation of intersection on Venn diagram in different types of set like disjoint, overlapping and subset. First we will recall that how many operations can be done on any number of sets. There are basically 5 basic operations that can be performed on any number of set. They are union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference and complement of a set. In today's lecture, we will discuss intersection of a set. Intersection of a two set A and B is the set of the elements that are common in both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B and is represented by X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. For example, if set A contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains the element 3, 4, 5, 6, here 3 and 4 are the common elements in both the set A and B, then A intersection B is equal to 3 and 4. If the sets will be disjoint, then there will be no element common in them. That is, their intersection will be an empty set. So in Venn diagram, no area will be shaded as shown in the figure. In overlapping set, common elements will be written in the overlapping region of the Venn diagram, and the sets are represented by two overlapping circles. As you see in the figure, A intersection B is represented by the area shaded in blue. So the common area in both the set will be shaded in this case. In case of a subset, if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. And if B is a subset of A, then A intersection B is equal to B. So in Venn diagram, both the areas are shown in both the cases. In the case A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos and join this exciting journey of set theory through Venn diagram. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.